Hello everybody, this is my Dacia Duster. For some time I'm having some problems about dust and water when it's raining entering to the engine compartment. I believe it's coming underneath the hood. So I bought a rubber seal and today I'm going to install this rubber seal to the engine compartment to overcome this problem. Let's open the hood. This is the rubber seal for Dacia Duster engine compartment. I purchased it from eBay. Now let's start installing our rubber seal from one end to another. I'm wearing some protective gloves because these sharp edges might cut my hands. So I'm starting installing the rubber seal for Dacia Duster engine compartment. Now we are going to cut the excess amount and our installation job will be finished. Our installation job is finished. And let's see if the hood is closing properly. Yes, it does. Okay. And I believe there will be no more dust or water entering to my engine compartment anymore. Thank you for watching.